Craving a spicy restaurant-style chili chicken at home? Let's make it in just minutes. 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 1 egg. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 onion, diced. 1 capsicum, diced. 2-3 green chilies, slit. 1 tablespoon garlic, chopped. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons chili sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Marinate chicken with soy sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, corn flour, egg, salt and pepper. Coat well and deep fry until golden and crispy. Set aside. In a hot pan, add oil, garlic, onions, capsicum, and green chilies. Stir fry on high flame for 2 minutes until fragrant. Add soy sauce, chili sauce, and ketchup. Toss in the fried chicken and mix until everything is coated in that spicy, glossy sauce. And that's it. Your restaurant-style chili chicken is ready, crispy, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Serve hot with fried rice or noodles.